In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track project budgets in Asana with custom fields. We'll set up clear budget tracking inside your project so you can see planned costs, actual spend, and what's left at a glance. Make sure you're on a computer with a web browser and that you have access to the project you want to manage. Start by opening your browser on your PC and going to asana.com. Click Log In and sign into your account. Once you're in, open the project you want to track the budget for. Think of this project as the container for all the items you need to budget. Tasks can represent deliverables, vendors, or expense lines. In the top right corner of your project, click Customize. In the panel that opens, click Fields, then click Add Field. Choose Create New Field. Name this first field Budget. Select Number as the field type, then click Create. This budget field will hold the planned amount you expect to spend for each task. Next, we'll create a field for actual spend. Click Add Field again, choose Create New Field, and name it Spent. Select Number and click Create. With budget and spent in place, you'll be able to compare what you planned versus what you actually paid. Now add tasks for each project item you want to track. Create a task for every cost line you care about. Click into a task, and in the task details or in the grid columns, enter the budget amount. Then enter the spent amount. Keep your currency consistent across all tasks, and use decimals for cents if you need that level of precision. To capture what's left, we'll add one more field. Click Add Field, click Create New Field, name it Remaining, choose Number, and click Create. Asana won't calculate this automatically, so for each task, manually subtract spent from budget and type the result into the remaining field. A quick tip, do the math as you update tasks, or use a simple calculator so your numbers stay accurate. Switch to the table or list view if you aren't already there. These views display your budget, spent, and remaining columns side by side, making it easy to scan your data. From here, you can sort or filter tasks by any of these fields. Sort by remaining to see which items have the least budget left, or sort by spent to quickly spot your largest expenses. That's it. Keep your spent numbers updated as invoices come in, and your remaining field will give you a reliable snapshot of your project's financial health.